Locate your lost AirPods with Find My app.
Hello there. Have you lost your AirPods and are wondering how to locate them? Today, we're going to discuss how to use the Find My app to locate your lost AirPods. Yes, you heard it right. You can use the Find My app to track down your misplaced AirPods. Let's delve into it.
What is the Find My app?
The Find My app is a brilliant tool developed by Apple to help users locate their lost devices. It was originally designed to find iPhones, but you can use it to locate many other Apple devices, including AirPods.
How does the Find My app work with AirPods?
AirPods have built-in Bluetooth technology, which communicates with your other Apple devices. If your AirPods are connected to your iPhone or iPad, they are registered in the Find My app. When you can't find your AirPods, you can use the Find My app to make them play a sound or check their last known location.
How do I use the Find My app to locate my AirPods?
First, open the Find My app on your device. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom, and then select your AirPods from the list. Here are the steps you can follow. 1. Play sound. If your AirPods are nearby, tap Play Sound. This will make your AirPods emit a gradually increasing sound that will help you locate them. 2. Directions. If your AirPods are not nearby, tap on Directions to get a route to their last known location. Remember, this will only work if your AirPods are connected to an iPhone or iPad and their battery is not dead.
What if my AirPods are offline or dead?
In case your AirPods are offline or their battery is dead, the Find My app can't locate them. However, it can show their last known location before they went offline. While this may not give you the current location of your AirPods, it can still be helpful. That's all for today's guide on how to use the Find My app to locate your lost AirPods. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep in mind, the earlier you start searching for your lost AirPods, the more chances you have to find them. So don't delay. If you can't locate them, open up your Find My app and start searching. Good luck!